Nikhil, can you share the hiring process of Gojek?
Hiring process of Gojek.
Hiring process of Gojek
Uh,
for product design roles or any design role.
okay. So yeah, so hiring process is actually different. So Gojek has like we can say like broad four categories. One is product designer, one is interaction designer. We have then creative designers, and then we have motion designers as well. So I will just go into explaining how product designers are hired in Gojek. So product for product designer, there is one phone call interview like I had. Then there is one portfolio round, which is a phone like a video call, and where we ask about the portfolio. I mean, just portfolio and the questions around it. Then the next round is a case study round, um, where we where it is an on-site round where we give like a short case study where the designer has to do along with the team who is taking the interview. And then I think final round is with our design heads. Yeah, that's it.